Hey guys, how you doing? I'm back to show you this bracelet I just made. It's actually pretty cool. I put a bullet casing for the buckle, and here I'll show you. It's just a regular cobra stitch, except I got this little hole at the end of it. And with this hole, the way it keeps on, that it stays on, is by this 40 cal brass. Now, I didn't do any knots to keep it in there, but because it wouldn't fit. But I actually, if you could see that, I burnt it, so it was like a really big melting blob type thing. I let it cool down. It actually, that's not coming out of there. But what I like about this is it just looks badass, you know. And here, look, I'll show you. Hang on. It's actually not that hard to get on once you get it over one side of it, and then you just kind of force it over there. But kind of fits on like that. Actually, I mean, I made this one too big, but uh, it actually fits pretty well, as you can see. But no matter what happens, you know, that's not going to come off unless you physically take it off. And even taking it off, it's a little difficult, but it's not that hard. But yeah. So uh, like and but yeah, like the video, and thanks for watching. Bye.